DIY how to make communication headsets for your action figures. This is the 5th version of headsets I've made for my action figures. You can watch the videos here. See how I did that? This is a modification of the Basecamp headphones. You can find that video here. Let's get started. Tools you'll need for this project. Some needle nose pliers. 1/4 inch hole punch is optional. Standard hole punch. Super glue. Wire cutters. A drill bit that's same radius as your paper clip. Some Sharpie markers or acrylic paint of your choice. Supplies you'll need for this project. Some large gauge wire like the kind they use to wire houses. Adhesive back craft foam. Wood plugs. Three-eighths of an inch button plug. 1/4 inch wood plug. Start by straightening a paper clip and use pliers to get it straight. Drill a hole into the 3/8ths of an inch wood plug. I'm using a drill bit that has a large collar. It's easy for me to just do it by hand, but you can use a drill. Use an action figure to start making the bend in your paper clip. You want the first end to be next to his ear. You could use your pliers to make bending it easier. Push a wood plug onto the end of the wire and check the fit. Now you can use your super glue to secure it. Cut off the extra wire. Make sure it's close to his other ear. Keep this leftover wire. We'll need it soon. You can test fit the second wood plug to make sure it's going to fit right. Now would be a good time to make adjustments. We'll pull it back off and continue to the next step. Grab your large gauge wire. This one has a clear coating. I use my razor knife to cut it off. With your wire cutter, start cutting through the outer coating. You don't want to cut the inside wire. Just move your wire cutters around the outside, cutting the coating. Now that we have it off, we'll trim the ends to look nice. Slide this onto your wire, placing it at the top of the headset. We don't need to glue it. You can now glue the second wood plug on. You can stop here if you wanted an update of the Basecamp headphones. Let's move on. Use your fine point marker to mark a placement for the microphone. You want this near his cheek. Use your drill bit to make a hole where you marked it. I drilled mine at a sharp angle. Test fit it again and decide where you want the bends at. With mine, I want to give it a slight bend near the earpiece. Then I'll give it a bend and curve it around my finger. Push it back in for another test fit. It's getting there, just need to bend it here and get it closer to his mouth. test fit. Cool! Cut off the extra wire. Now grab your 1/4 inch wood plug. You can use a ruler to find the center, but I'm just going to eyeball it. Drill a hole. Now you can start gluing the parts together. Give it some time to dry. Paint it or color it. You can always tell when I've been working on projects. I color my fingers too. Hand sanitizer takes it off, by the way. Grab that craft foam and punch 2 holes. Peel off the backing and stick these onto the earpiece. And we are done. You can leave the microphone part off if you want to improve the headset design, like we talked about earlier. I think that would look cool. You can combine color paper clips and some color Sharpie markers to make different color headsets. Here I have all green. I added a 1/4 inch craft foam button to my prototype, but I didn't like how it turned out. But that is an option. Have fun with these and see what you could come up with. Tag me on social media if you make any of my crafts, and I'll share it on one of my videos. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.